Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Next type is variables. Variables are used data defined names assigned to specific member location in which the values are stored. Variables are also identifiers, and hence the rules for naming the identifier should be followed while naming a variable. These are called as symbolic variables because they are named location. This is not difficult one. Variables also called identifiers. They specific memory location. They allocate memory location. These are called as otherwise called as symbolic variables also. Okay, there are two values associated with a symbolic variable. They are R value and L value. R value is data stored in memory location. L value is the memory address in which the R value is stored. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஆர் வேல்யூன்றது மெமரி அலோகேட் பண்ண ஸ்டோர் பண்ணக்கூடிய மெமரி லொக்கேஷன். எல் வேல்யூன்றது மெமரி அட்ரஸ் எங்கே இருக்குன்றது ஆர் வேல்யூ எங்கே ஸ்டோர் ஆகின்ற அட்ரஸ் நம்மளுக்கு காமிக்கும். ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாம். வேரியபிள் நேம் இஸ் கால்ட் M1 and M2. ஓகே, M1 is 65, M2 is 100. வேல்யூ R value within memory. Okay, 65 is the R value. Next one, the L value is called memory address. 0 into 125E, 125, 126E, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131 to the 134E வரைக்கும் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. For an example, one thing, L value is called memory address. 65 is the R value called value within memory. M1 is 65, M2 is 100. This is called as a example for memory allocation. Okay, this is a easy one. Remember that memory address are in the form of all form in the hexadecimal values only. All are in a hexadecimal form. Declaration of variables. Every variable should be declared before they are actually used in a program. Declaration is a process to instruct the compiler to allocate memory as per the type that is specified along with a variable name. For example, if you declare a variable as input type in dev C++, the compiler allocates 4 bytes of memory. Thus, every variable should be declared along with the type of value to be stored. Declaration of more than one variable. Okay, first of all, we see about the variable. Declaration means இறுதி செய்கிறது. Declaration கரெக்டாக ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து இதோட ப்ராசஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா allocate memory தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஸ்பெசிஃபைட வேரியபிள் நேம். அது வேரியபிள் நேம் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இன்ட் மெயின்னு நம்ம வேரியபிளை டேவ் C++ல் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணுறோம். அது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு 4 bytes அலோகேட் பண்ணி அதோட ப்ரோக்ராம் ரன் ஆக ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துரும். டிக்ளரேஷன் ஆஃப் மோர் தென் ஒன் வேரியபிள். ஓகே, மோர் தென் ஒன் வேரியபிள் இஃப் மீன்ஸ் வாட் வி டூ. int num1 ஃபார் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள். சின்டாக்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்ப்போம். டேட்டா டைப் வேரியபிள் 1 2 3 டாட் வேரியபிள் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, செமிகாலன். எக்ஸாம்பிள் இன்ட் மெயின் கம்மா நம்பர் 2 கம்மா சம் semicolon. num1 comma num2 and sum is the integer values, not a int data type, not a data type. These are the integer values. Okay, one example is enough for this. Okay, if you declare a variable without any initial value, the memory space allocated to the variable which will be occupied with some unknown values நம்மளுக்கு allocate பண்ணும். ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இனிஷியல் வேல்யூ இல்லாமல் நம்ம வேரியபிள் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணோன்னா அது வந்து ஆக்குபை அன்னோன் வேல்யூக்கு அது வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா ஜங்க்குன்னும் கார்பேஜ் வேல்யூஸ்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, இனிஷியேஷன் ஆஃப் வேரியபிள், இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் ஆஃப் வேரியபிள், assigning an initial value to a variable during its declaration is called an initialization. Example, int num is equal to 100 semicolon float pi 3.14 thus double price is equal to 231.45. First value is 100, second value is 3.14. These and all calculated with 231.45. Here is the num, pi and price is a variable names. Int float is a data type. These initial values can be declared changed during the program execution. Okay, this is not very simple one. Don't confuse. Clearly watch our videos and gain your knowledge, guys. Next one is one example called program to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. CSA is equal to 2 pi r into h. Hashtag include iostream using namespace semicolon into main brackets curly braces. Float pi is equal to 3.14 radius comma height comma CSA. Cout is the curved surface area of the cylinder. We want to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Cout is equal to enter radius in centimeter. Enter radius is equal to 7. Height is 20. C in radius. Cout is equal to enter height is a 20. C in height. CSA is a formula 2 into pi into radius into height. What we can do is 7 into 20 into 2 into 7 into 20. That means curved surface of a area of a cylinder is 879.2. This is a simplest form of example. Okay, on another example is C++ program to illustrate dynamic installation. Hashtag include iostream using namespace standard semicolon into main int num1 num2 semicolon enter of number 1. Cout number 1, enter number 2 is cin int sum is equal to num1 plus num2. For an example, number 1 is 78, number 2 is 65. 78 plus 65 dynamic installation means we want to divide 78 plus 65 is equal to how much we will calculate by divided by 2. We will get an average called 71. Okay, next example is C++ program to find a perimeter and area of semicircle. Hashtag and iostream using namespace semicolon int main curly braces int radius float pi is equal to 3.14. Enter radius called 14. Radius C in radius வாங்குறோம். Float perimeter is equal to pi plus 2 into radius called formula. Float area is equal to pi into radius divided by 2 is another formula for area, one formula for perimeter. We can simplify, we get the answer. I give the radius number also 14. We get the perimeter called 71.96. Area of the semicircle called 307.72 square centimeter. This is very simple. First pi 3.14 plus 2 14. 3.14 plus 14 is equal to 71.96. That is called perimeter of the semicircle. Pi into 3.14 into radius 14 into radius 14 into divided by 2 is called area of semicircle 307.72 centimeter square. Okay, the axis modifier constant. Constant is a keyword used to declare a constant. You already learned about the constant in previous chapter. Constant keyword modifiers restricted the accessibility of variables, so it is known as axis modifier. For example, int num is equal to 100 semicolon. The way above example for however the value of num can be changed during execution. If you modify above definition has constant int num is equal to 100 semicolon, the variable num became a constant and its value will remain 100. Constant means நிலையாக இருக்கிறது. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், 100 அப்படியே இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தலாம். ஹேஷ்டாக் இன்டு iostream using namespace semicolon int main braces curly braces constant int num is equal to 100. Value of num number மறுபடியும் வாங்குறோம், num plus 1 trying to increment the constant, that is called 100 plus 1 101 நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். This is also called cannot modify the constant object and also called assignment of a read only memory num in dev C++. Okay, reference. Okay, we going to reference. A reference provide an alias for a previously defined variable. Definition of a reference consists of base type and ampersand symbol. Reference variable name is assigned the variable of previously declared variable. For syntax reference, for syntax type and reference variable is equal to original variable semicolon. This is called a reference syntax. It's called reference syntax. Okay, clear? Reference syntax பார்த்தாச்சு. 1 minute. Reference syntax, one variable for reference. Hashtag in iostream using namespace comma semicolon int main braces int main semicolon int and temp is equal to num is equal to 100. Cout is with the value of num. Cout is the value of temp is also 100. Number is also 100. This is called references. These are the easiest way to learn. Formatting output is coming under the second video. Wait for a interesting topic called expression and formatting output. We will discuss in next class. Thank you so much. Keep supporting our channel, keep subscribe our channel, keep like and share our channel. Bye bye.